Hi, I'm Jimmy from AET Display Limited China. Basically, we are here to showcase our COB product, and here is our newest technology here. If you can see, on the video you may not able to see the differences, but what happened is this. We developed a new product with a new technology on COB where we can save energy, all right? On the display, this is common cathode, and in general, people will know that the common cathode will save energy for 30% in comparison to common anode. All right, and this product is our newest. We're using our newest technology. All right, if you really can see clearly, is that the contrast level is much better on the same brightness, and in fact is that this is using common anode technology, and if you can see the reading of the what do you call that, the power consumption, the common anode and common cathode basically is the same at this moment. All right, so what we are trying to do is that because the energy crisis and everyone is very concerned about energy, so we have developed this one to help you to save energy so that we can promote to your end user. Thank you very much. And if you want to have more information, you can contact us or go to our website www.aetled.com. I repeat, www.aetled.com. Thank you.